Hi guys. Today I'm just going to give you a little bit sharing about one of our China buying trip, the whole house process for this particular case study. As you can see, our process, we hold the meeting with the client and then we recommended the China buying trip. We got the purchase order from the client. We then recommended the itinerary for her. And then we created the blueprint before the client lives in China, like Australia. And then we went through all the procurement and did the price comparison. So this is Letitia and her mom, and both of them came to my office on one particular, like say Thursday, and then we had a meeting in our office, as you can see. Then we discussed about their whole house, and so we fully understand what the clients want to achieve. Then we recommended the China buying trip because they want to buy a lot of items, but a small quantity for each of those houses. They want to buy the furniture and the building material. So we want to assist Letitia in procurement of like high quality and desirable goods at the reasonable price. So then in that, what is the China buying trip? Imagine it's a guided shopping trip to the largest wholesale market in China. And then we take them to a different wholesale market, visit the factory, visit the wholesale market. It's not you do not have a minimum order quantity requirement, but you can create a mixed container. We will send our trade assistant to accompany to you the trip, and then you get a 5-star quality products at a 2-star price. So this is one of the customers said who has been with us. I just want to say a big thank you for letting us with Xiaomei for our China buying trip in Foshan. She was incredible help, and we were able to find all the products we needed, and they were great quality also. It was a pleasure spending the time in China with Xiaomei. This is one of our clients just said. So for Letitia, you can see this is Letitia's house, how that look like. It's quite beautiful. It's in Gold Coast. And then she also have some architect's drawing with her products, as you can see here. So, and this is, her set plan and her with some measurement, and with what she has provided, we come up itinerary. And for her to, arrived in 25th of April. And because her time is very tight, so we actually on the night when she arrived around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, we pick her up from the airport, take her directly to the factory. All right. And then 26, and we go to visit the kitchen, cabinet, laundry, cabinet, wardrobe, and then toiletry, and then sofa and bed furniture, and then the 27th, and then 28th, like tile, garage door, lighting, and also, as you can see here, blinds and the curtain. And then May, they departed. So it's like, 4 or 5 days, full schedule, non-stop. This is what Letitia have shared with us. As you can see, this is their on-site. They have already had the structure is ready. And then this is the sketches she gave to us, like the laundry. And then this is what the supplier have already created before she arrives in China. This is her hand drawing, the laundry, and then this is her, as you can see, the kitchen, and this is what supply come up with, and this is her kitchen, another part, and then this is her actually, the kitchen part, and then we according to her drawing, then the supply come up the 3D model. So let's have a quick look at the price comparison. As you can see here, this is the blindfold. like a bifold front door. In Australia, 2,999. In China, 1,241. And plus the freight duty GST landed around $1,489. That's 51% lower. So as you can see, the list, some are big saving, like 55% lower. Some are slightly not that much saving. However, because you combine together, like say, for instance, this one, porcelain, 37% lower, like this one, matte, rectified timber, and then 77% lower. And then this one, porcelain, 40% lower, and then this one, black tie with texture, 77% lower. Wine rack, 23% lower. Mirror, 81%. Mirror, 80%. Shower head, 73%. Laundry products, 76%. Laundry products and kitchen products, 23%. Kitchen and then laundry chair, 50%. And the sofa set, 32%. Solar powered garden spotlight, 69%. Laundry sink, 89%. Mixer tap, 83%. And 91% stair, 49%. So when you look at this item, 16,000 in Australia, cost probably less than half price. So you can see majority of those products, it's a 50% saving. In this particular purchase order for Letitia, and it's over 211,000 if they buy in Australia, and then landed in Australia, it's about 999,000. It's generally to say 53% saving. So the feedback from Miss Letitia, and she said, thanks to all the staff from Chinadirect sourcing. They took me to different supplier and wholesale in Guangzhou, China. I really need them to help me negotiate the price, finding as best price as possible, explaining everything. I had a great experience and made good saving. So that's what our client says. As you can see, and even in China, I was in China, I met them, and yeah, we had a great time and they really enjoyed it. And the best part is they got the quality products at a much cheaper price. So this is the whole China buying trip, a little case study I want to share with you. I hope you enjoyed the exercise. I'm sure, to each every different products, every different houses, every different project, the China buying trip have different experience. But in the end, we strive for provide the quality products with amazing saving for your projects. And for each of the China buying trip, we will customize your project. We will design the itinerary and match your needs. I hope you enjoy this little presentation. Have a great day.